Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. It's Mother Eagle here. And I just wanted to say hi and make sure everyone is okay. Thank you so much for all the contributors. I thank you for your comments, your emails. I'm trying to get to them. Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining us. It's Mother Eagle here. Well, today I wanted to talk about recharging and refreshing ourselves on why we started this personal development journey. Why did you choose to make yourself better? You know, because since this is a journey, it's going to take a while. There is no end in sight. All we have is the recharging, reinventing of ourselves, trying new things, going forward, failing forward. If you haven't failed yet, you're not trying hard enough. Yes. So I would like you to recharge and remember, why did you start working on that dream? Are you still having that zeal and desire to push it through, to make sure it comes to pass? Welcome. So are you putting in everything you've got, or have you become stagnant? Have you become tired? Are you wondering, is this worth it? I want to encourage you that your dream and your desire is worth it. It's worth everything, because when you change, everything around you changes, your family changes, your next generation changes. So it's a ripple effect. If you get yourself better, people around you will get better too, and it's going to take changing our mind, applying ourselves in terms of action, willing to do new things, even when there is a chance to fail, because failure is part of the journey. Actually, it's not failing, it is a stepping stone to your next level, So you have to try and look for a lesson in every obstacle that you encounter, because when you get to the top of the top and you've reached your desire, you want to be strong enough to handle it, because usually the person you are right now may not be able to carry that dream and desire in terms of heart capacity, in terms of diligence, in terms of integrity and character and compassion, because you don't want to get to the top and mistreat the people below you. You see what I'm saying? So I'm encouraging you to remember, what is your dream? What is your desire? Then take a few steps and start implementing. Recharge. Remember that thing that excited you to move forward, because if you become your best version, everyone benefits. You will benefit because you'll be walking in your greatness, and everybody around you will benefit. But do not grow weary while you're doing good. Hi everybody, welcome. It's Mother Eagle here. Write in the comments where you're listening in from. So my encouragement today basically is to just remember, don't get tired. It's worth it to sacrifice and to give your all in all to see your life better. And most of it may require you trying new things. Most of it may require you doing things even when you're afraid, because usually fear is one of our hindrances. But do things even when you're afraid, because you realize it's an illusion. It's an illusion. You can do better. Just promise yourself that next year, this time, you are in a different place. You are in a better place. You're in a place of your desire. Hi, Saint. welcome. Just promise yourself you'll be in a better place, because that's the only way. You have to take personal responsibility, personal accountability for every situation that's happening in your environment, in yourself, in your family, because once you do that, you've taken back the power and you have the ability to find solutions. But if you think the problem is outside of you, then you'll always think someone else has to come in to help to change your situation. It doesn't have to be that way. You've got all the power to make a difference. You've got all the wisdom. You've got all the help. Just have to look diligently, with a passion and with intent, because sometimes we have a desire for something and we take it so casually, right? Too casual that the thing will never reveal its secrets, So engage yourself with that passion, and then you will see a difference, because this having a life you desire is not something unique. It's not something that happens to only the privileged or only those born on the right track. No. It's something you can fight for. It's something you can create. Where you're from, where you're born, that doesn't matter. You can create something from where you are to where you want to be. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. Leave your comments. I love you guys. Bye. Have a good one.